Welcome, my viewers and listeners. Long time ago, someone asked me whether all expenditures incurred by a business can be treated as a business expenditures and whether these expenditures can be considered for the purpose of determination of the profit or loss of the business. Answer with the reason. So, after getting this question uh, from that very someone, I answered him that the expenditures which incurred by a business for the purpose of performing the regular business transactions can be considered as a business expenditure, and such expenditures incurred for the purpose of business activities are deducted from the revenue or income of the business to determine the profit or loss. But the expenditures which are incurred by the business but not for any business activities or not for any regular business activities but for the purpose or for the need of the proprietor do not form the part and parcel of the business expenditure. For example, if the proprietor has taken cash from the business or withdraw cash from the business or withdraw some goods or some commodities from the business, then though it is an expenditure on the part of the business, but it is not the business expenditure. In this case, if say cash withdrawn by the proprietor rupees 500, we shall pass the journal entry by opening a new account named drawings account debit to cash account, or if any goods or stock is taken by the proprietor from the business for his personal purposes or personal requirement, we shall pass the journal entry drawings account debit to purchase account. So we can see the stock or goods or cash withdrawn by the proprietor from the business are not the business expenditure. Now the question is arising, at the time of determination of the profit and loss, business expenditures are deducted from the revenue or income of the business. What will be the treatment of the withdrawal by the proprietor from the business to determining the profit or loss of the business? It should be remembered that actually drawings or withdrawal by the proprietor from the business is the actual reimbursement in part by the business from the capital to the proprietor. In other words, we can say that we know that the capital given to the business by the proprietor becomes a liability to the business, and the business is liable to return that capital to the proprietor in course of time. So, before this reimbursement, if the proprietor withdraws some cash or something else which has some value in the business, then it will be treated or it will be considered as if the business has returned or reimbursed some portion of the capital to the proprietor. Therefore, at the time of determination of the profit, this drawings amount will be deducted from the capital account of the business or capital account of the proprietor in the books of accounts of the business. So now we can understand that all expenditures incurred by a business cannot be treated as a business expenditure, or all expenditures cannot be deducted from the revenue or income of the business for the purpose of determinations of the profit or loss of the business, especially the drawings account. Instead of deducting the drawings account or treating it as a business expenditure, we shall deduct it from the capital account and consider it as a charge against the capital. We must remember these things at the time of doing the journal entry, and this item, that is the treatment of the drawings account or withdrawal by the proprietor, have a great significance at the time of doing the accounting equation. Thank you.